Hello, praisers and savers. We are freezing in South Carolina. Let me turn my heat down. We're freezing in South Carolina today. It's been like 40-something degrees. Can't believe it. It's been hot and all of a sudden it's 40-something degrees. So I've got my little beanie on today, covering my ears up. We are heading into Kroger. Now this shopping trip is going to be different than my usual Kroger shopping trips. We are not using not one paper coupon, and we're only going to use like a couple digitals on the app. So this is going to be a no coupons needed trip. Absolutely no coupons needed trip. Everyone can do these deals. So it's going to be pretty awesome. Let me put my phone right here for a second. Pretty awesome on this trip, and no coupons needed. That sunlight's coming through on you guys. So we are heading into Kroger. Only thing I will be using is, I think I got one IBOTTA rebate, and it's really small. You may not even need it or want to use it. So make sure that you guys have your Kroger app ready to go. Let's get in and stock up on some of these deals. All of these things that we're getting are great, great, great for the holidays. Let's get going. Check your Kroger's because mine has the clearance Halloween candy, and they're saying that these are $4.49. Maybe even cheaper when I get to the register, but that's what we got so far. I'm gonna pick up 2 bags for my classroom, actually. Super excited about that. This is an amazing no coupons needed on the red gold diced tomatoes. It is part of the buy 10 and save 50 cents each. You don't have to buy 10 of these, just buy 10 things that are on this mega event. I'm going to be picking up different varieties of these red gold potatoes. They've got the diced and the crushed, and that is the, just see the crushed and the diced at my store. Petite diced is here, but it's even cheaper than the Kroger brand because the Kroger brand is 59 cents. So pick these up, 49 cents each stock up price. Whenever Kroger has this Betty Crocker deal, always stock up. Make sure you're not getting the value size, you're just getting the regular size. They're only 99 cents on the mega. These are great whenever you forget to get sides or just other things in your cabinet. So pick these up today. I'm going to pick about 10 boxes up. We still have some from last time, but we've been eating it. We've got the au gratin, the julienne potatoes, the scallop, the cheesy ones. So pick you up a variety of these and just keep it in your cabinet for whenever you need it, or you can donate it. All right, now stock up on these Idahoan potatoes. Now these are different than the mega. These are actually 77 cents with the weekly digital deal, and you can do up to 5 times. So make sure you clip this in the app. All you need to do is open up your camera, scan that QR code, and it takes you to the Kroger app. You're able to pick up 5 of these potatoes if you want, or just 1 for 77 cents each, and they have a variety of flavors. My store is almost completely wiped out of this chicken broth, and it's just the perfect time to pick it up. We need this all the time in our house, especially these small cans, because I like it in the big containers like that, but I end up wasting so much. So I'm going to pick up these cans for just 49 cents each, and I'm going to get all they have on the shelf that is left today. Swanson brand chicken broth. All right, picking up an old-time favorite for the house when I was a kid, and we started introducing this to our kids a little bit too as well. Especially whenever we are tired and running out of meal ideas, we can just pop open a box of Hamburger Helper and they will tear it up. So these are usually 3 for $5, but they are on sale for 99 cents each with the mega. I'm actually going to get 10 boxes of these for a stock up deal. Another amazing no coupons needed deal on the Kraft macaroni and cheese. They are 75 cents on the mega. There's an IBOTTA rebate for 10 cents back. And you can do this deal up to 5 times on IBOTTA, making these just 65 cents each, no coupons needed. This flour, gold medal all-purpose flour, is not part of the mega, but it is one of the digital coupons for this week. So these are going to be $1.67 for the 5-pound bag, which is pretty amazing. My store is getting knocked out. That shelf is totally clear, and this bottom shelf is going to be in just a moment. Because it is part of the weekly digital deal, you can get this up to 5 times. So pick up 5 bags of flour at $1.67. These are great to donate to the food bank, but you also have holidays coming up, so you'll need a lot of flour for cooking. I'm actually going to buy 5 of these and get zippy bags and put each one in a zippy bag just so it can stay longer and not get any moisture in it. All right, another no coupons needed deal on the Betty Crocker cake mixes. They're only 75 cents, originally $1.69, so you're saving more than double for these, and they have all different kinds of flavors. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stock up on the yellow or the butter recipe because this is something that we use to make these little bars for the holidays. So 75 cents each on these Betty Crocker cakes. The Palmolive is on sale this week for $1.79. In addition to that, there is a coupon on the Kroger app that when you buy 3 of them, you get $3 off. So if we were to buy all 3, it would cost $5.37. With the $3 off coupon, it's going to make it $2.37 or just 79 cents each. And I'm actually going to be picking up this one right here, the Soft Touch, because you know, it's cold outside and the hands are dry, and I really don't ever see this one on the sale when we do it at Walmart. So I'm picking up 3 of these for only 79 cents each. All right, my store wants me to climb today, so these Green Giant Simply Steam Veggies, they are only 99 cents per box. These are perfect when you just need something for a quick meal, just like those mashed potatoes that we got earlier. And so I'm going to be picking up some broccoli and also some Brussels sprouts. So 99 cents for these, no coupons needed on the Green Giant Simply Steam. This has absolutely nothing to do with couponing, but one of the things that I love about couponing is I get to see items in the store that I normally would not even think about. So as I'm studying the aisles, I see this Moe's Southwest Grill frozen dinners. Now they're pricey, they're $5, and I checked IBOTTA, I checked the Kroger app just to make sure there wasn't any coupons, and there's not, but I know they're $5, but I'm picking these up. My kids are picky, and I'm always trying to find things that they like, and they love Moe's, and we love Moe's as a family, so maybe this is something that they may like, and if it's on sale next time, then I'll pick them up for them. But I'm picking up 2. I'm actually going to pick up the beef tortilla one that's there in the middle, and then the chicken one there. There's also a chicken tortilla bowl right there, you can see it. So pretty exciting to try something new like this. So if you see some in your store and want to try it, pick it up today. Now here's the real reason I'm in the frozen section, not for those expensive Moe's dinners, but for these smart ones, these 99 cents. These are great for lunches, and my kids, like I said, are picky, but they do like the fettuccine Alfredo ones, and they like the 3 cheese marinara. I'm picking those up. They've got the creamy rigatoni down there, home style pot roast. Not getting any of those. I'm just getting these on this shelf here, so easy peasy. If they don't like what I cook for supper, they can just pull one of these out and cook it up. Only 99 cents, no coupons needed. Great deal on the Kroger Deluxe ice cream. They've got so many flavors, more flavors than I didn't even know they had, but they're only $1.99, no coupons. I'm actually going to get my daughter this chocolate paradise because she loves chocolate, and she'll probably eat the whole container by herself. All right, praisers and savers, more ventures of what do I find at Kroger's that I've never seen before. Chuck E. Cheese at cheese pizza. So I guess we're not going to Chuck E. Cheese like we used to. We were kids, so now they're just bringing the pizza to us. And plus, guess what? You get 250 free tickets. Oh my gosh, makes you want to buy it, doesn't it? Only $6.49. Get some today. So this is not something I'm picking up because I have enough sour cream and I don't want anything to go bad. So these Kroger sour creams are only 8 ounces, but they're only 77 cents with the weekly digital, and you can pick up 5 of these. So if your recipe calls for a good amount of sour cream, then there you go, only 77 cents. The Eggo waffles are only $1.99. Awesome price on these, but they don't have the kind that we eat as a family. We usually get the blueberry or just the plain ones. My daughter does like the chocolate chip, but I'm not getting those today. Only $1.99, no coupons needed. The one item that I was really excited about were the 18-count Kroger eggs. They were only 97 cents for an 18-count, and if you look, my store is completely wiped out. We do have some of the other sizes, but I wanted that 18-count. That was only 97 cents using that digital coupon, so I guess I'll have to come back later in the week and hopefully try to get some, but we are wiped completely out. Every single tray is gone. Here is the deal tag for this, only 97 cents, and you can do this up to 5 times on those Kroger 18-count eggs. So see if your store has them. My last deal of the day is going to be this Lando Lakes butter. They're only $2.50. They're usually almost $5 at the store that we shop at, but it says here at Kroger they're $4.29 usually. We're going to be picking these up for just $2.49 each. No coupons needed. A great stock up deal, especially with the holidays coming. All right, praisers and savers, we're heading to the checkout. I told you guys I was stocking up and my cart is completely full with everything I showed you in the video. I cannot wait to get to the car and let you know my total. All right, guys, so you usually get a picture of all my items on my counter at home, but there is no way I can take a picture of all these amazing items that I got at Kroger today. My total was $114 before taxes, and I still have to submit to IBOTTA for that macaroni and cheese. That's going to be about 50 cents. So it's still going to be about $114. My original total for everything is a little loud in here. Let me look at it real quick. Here we go. I'll just show you my receipt. So what I paid was $114. I had $3 in manufacturer coupons on the app, and then with the store coupons, everything else, it was $65.18, and the total of $68.18 I saved. And I've got a ton of items, and if you look at that, I got 99 items. So I got everything on my list for about $1. So that was pretty amazing, considering I did buy 2 bags of clearance candy and some milk and those Moe's dinners. So if I didn't get those, my total would have been even less. But of course, you have to get other things when you're out shopping. So pretty amazing deal to have 99 items for only $114.